Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply filters in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So the first thing you need to do is to have your clip on your timeline in Shotcut. So mine is here and this is the video that I want us to apply filters. So filters helps you to manipulate your video or transform your video according to your interests. So I have here this video and I like to apply some filters, and that is color filters. I want to enhance the color of this clip. So to apply the filter, just go ahead and select either the whole clip, or if you just want to apply the filter on a section of the clip, just go ahead and cut and just have that section. For instance, I can just say we want to apply filters on this section or only this. And once you have selected it, you can go ahead and tap on filters here. It is. Alternatively, you can find filters on the lower side here. So if you again tap on this, it will take you to the same place. Now we have an option to add filters, and if we tap on this plus icon, we have so many things you can add. I just bookmarked this under my favorite, but you can add anything here. For instance, I want us to add saturation, or just we want to blacken this section of this clip. So if I go ahead and look for saturation, we have our saturation here. I'll go ahead and click on it. So go ahead and search for yours. If you wanted to color grade, you can look for that. If you wanted to flip your video, go ahead and look for that. If you wanted to add color or change the position or size, just search for it and you'll find it. So under my saturation, you can see the level is set to 100%. Now I can go ahead and adjust this. For instance, I want to turn this clip into a black and white. So I'll go ahead and lower the saturation, and as you can see, the filter has been applied, and here we go. Now as you can see, this section of the video has turned to black and white. So if I play the other section, you can see they are colored, but when it comes to this, it is black and white. So you can go ahead and customize your video by applying filters in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.